So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Get it. What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. Part 2, painting. Got the fuse box. I take that off because I want to do red and white with the fuse box. So primed it already. Got that section taped off. I'm gonna make that white, make that red. Now I took off that other vent, and we're gonna make that white too. But I just primed it. So we got the strip towels. We're gonna make that red. And I'm contemplating either making it red or white. I don't know yet. We're gonna see, maybe red. But I want the fuse box to be like both of the colors. So, but that's what we're doing right now. It is about 100 degrees. 100 degrees. So it's the perfect time to paint. I'm sweating my ass out. I'm about to go back in and let the primer dry a little bit. I'm gonna start spraying the red. Y'all stay tuned, man. So far, I think that may be it, honestly. Unless I paint that where the AC and stuff goes. But I may just buy a cover from Amazon, paint the cover, put that over it like that with my own little color on it like that. So I may just do it that way. But stay tuned. We'll get back with y'all and update y'all pretty much really when I'm done, honestly. Or when I'm painting it. But stay tuned, man. All DIY custom work over here, boy. JJLEE squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. Excuse the no shirt. It's 100 degrees, but as I told y'all, I was painting, but I redesigned everything. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up the hood and show y'all real quick. I have redesigned the whole paint job. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Get it. Yep. Got that one. I call it the Jordan Galaxy splatter. But bro, I did these, you know, and I did the fuse box. I was like, bro, I gotta do the freaking engine covers now. Bam, bam, full Galaxy out, bro. Splatter, white splatter. Then I'll clear coat it all over it. So that's sitting good. I'm doing a coolant top right now. And then shout out to my boy Dalen, because he told me, as y'all probably already saw, to go ahead and do the damn dash again. I have took this dash off at least 4 to 5 times, bro. Installing this and then painting it once, painting it again. Now I add the splatter on it, so this baby's sitting pretty. Think that little white on the side too, might as well. Took out that vent too. So the little plastic round is gonna be red and the little inside is gonna be white like this, so it's like its own little dash thing. So that's pretty much what I've been doing for the past couple of hours, honestly, y'all. I've been hooking it up, honestly, but y'all can see, but you know, my colors are red, white, and black. Y'all can see this baby, red, white, and black, and then bam. I made these like little black splatters on the inside, then I put the red on top, then I put the white. But 101 right there, boy. Look at that. Clean, bro. Clean. Here, remember, man, subscribe, please. I'll be doing shit. It's crazy. I let's step back, take a look at that. Perfect, bro. Perfect. That's too clean, bro. Probably I'll snap some pictures and let y'all know. But yep, it's part 2 of the DIY custom paint job. I'm hooking it up. I'm really bored. Ooh, let me stop painting. I'm running out of paint. I was thinking about this. I don't know. We gonna see, but I'm ready. Oh, bro, that would be sick though. Stop me, please. But yeah, that's it. No, video over, man. I don't remember like, subscribe, favorite. I just want to update y'all. Paint job done. I'll post a little pictures and stuff like that later. But remember to follow me on Instagram, JJLEE_productions. Subscribe, and I will catch y'all later. Thank y'all for watching. What's up, JJLEE squad? The video is not over, man. I just wanted to put this little positive message at the end for, you know, it don't matter what you're into, you know, cars, freaking building stuff, like, you know, just you can be into anything. I just want to let y'all know not let nobody tell you what to do when it pertains to your vision, your ideals, and what you want to do to something you own, bro. Like, it's your car, do whatever you want to your car. You want to make that car rainbow color, make it rainbow color. You want to put an alien in the headlight, put an alien in the headlight. like your car is your, I guess you want to say, is your vision, your theme. It's another extension of you to design what you want to design. And yes, of course, you know, people are going to judge what you like and what you don't like, and of course have comments about it, but they can't, you know what I'm saying, they can't really tell you what to do with your car. You pay for your own car, you design your own car, you put gas in your own car, you drive your own car every day. And I just want to put like this little positive message at the end for y'all, man. Do not let nobody tell you what to do when it pertains to your family, your life, your car, your goals. Accomplish what you want to accomplish. Be strong. Cause you know, I know it's Mental Health Awareness Month. I think it was in May, or this month. But I just want to like put this positive message at the end, because you know I'm a positive person, but I do have those times where, like, you know, when I'm alone, my mind just ponders around, and I just go into like this deep, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to be alone. I don't want to do nothing and all that stuff. I wouldn't say it's depressed, it's just me. Because, you know, like when I'm in my car, I'm happy. Love the way it sounds when I get out of my car. And like I'm sitting in my room by myself like this. I'm just like, damn. Life. If that makes sense. But it's supposed to be like a positive message, but you know what I'm saying? It's just a little thing at the end. I want to switch it up, open up a little bit even more, because, you know, watch the video to the end, but people won't expect it, because this is just in case people don't watch it to the end, you know. But, you know, it's just a little positive message, man. Just keep your head up, stay strong, do what you want to do. Like me, bro, like, if I can do this, you can do it too. And it don't matter what nobody say, because it's your car. You look at your car. Even if somebody may talk bad about it, you put your blood, sweat, and tears into it, and you love the way it looks. It don't matter how anybody else look at it, because guess what? It's not their car. It's not, you know, maybe if you want to paint, you know, if you want to paint your house red, it's not, you know, it's not their house, so they can't talk bad about it. I mean, they can say words, but it ain't gonna really matter at the end of the day, because guess what? Their name ain't on the house. Like, if their name isn't on the car, or like their name isn't on this such and such. But I just want to say, like, just stay positive, man. I am here on Instagram if you want to talk to me sometimes, you know. JJLEE _production. Go ahead and give it a follow, man. I'm trying to upload more, really. Trying to get on the grind, because I guess, you know, I don't know who said this, like, I guess I'm putting too much time into somebody else's business when I should be putting more time into like stuff I'm into, like my channel and stuff like that. Because I was just laying down, and then all of a sudden I'm like, it just hit me, bro. I ran straight to Autos. I drove straight to AutoZone, bro. Bought some paint, bought all this, and I'm just like, I gotta do this in 100-degree weather, mind you. And I was just like, I gotta do this. I gotta paint it. I see it. And then what happened now was 2 steps with my boy Dalen, and then I'm like, I'm gonna leave it red, but it was plain, because anybody can buy that, like that little red cover, put it on there, red. So I'm like, yeah, my red is shiny and metallic paint, but hit it with some dots, bam. And I call it Galaxy Splatter Jordan. No, Jordan Galaxy Splatter. That's my little name for it. But like I said, if you put your mind on anything, bro, you can do it. Like y'all see my car now. I put my own wide body kit on, bro. I can't stress that enough. It was difficult, but I put it on there. I'm still having troubles a little bit. It's not rubbing anymore, but I just bought some glue, so I'm gonna, like, you know, glue the front. The front flares are the only ones I was having a problem with, because they were hitting so much, and kind of knocked it loose and stuff like that. So I'm gonna glue those soon, so y'all shouldn't be getting no more problems after I glue them, honestly. But like I said, bro, it takes hard work to get where you want to be in life, and you can't be afraid to work hard. Don't let nobody hold you down, break you down, talk bad about you. If they do, ignore it, because guess what? They ain't living a life. They don't know what you go through, and it's your life. You need to live it the way you want to. Like, seriously. I gotta tell myself that a lot too. I don't want to be, talking out my ass. Because, like, yeah, I'm a happy person, bro, but it's not like, I'm just smiling all the time, but that's just me, bro. Like, I wouldn't say I'm just weird, but I just don't like, I really honestly don't like being around people like that. I mean, I'm better like with, close family and like close friends. Like, I got a small circle, bro. Like, hey, yeah, I got friends, but like, I don't know you, if that makes sense. But I just mostly like just honestly being alone, being to myself, bro. I mean, I got my brothers, Dalen, Jason. I got other family, Tisha, got my mom, my grandma, my brother, sister. But, that's just the main people that I love and I do mess with. But, I mean, let me go ahead and end this video, man. I'm just talking, but it's just a little positive message at the end. I don't know how many times I said that, but, like, seriously, if y'all need somebody to talk to, I'm here. I mean, because at the end of the day, I may need somebody to talk to. But, it's just life, bro. But, like I said, keep your head up. Do what you want to do. Like, you see me, I made my own wide body scat. I'm painting my own engine parts. I'm painting my own interior parts. Never done before. And I'm doing it like I've been doing it for years, bro. So, just wake up. Say you're going to have a good day, speak positivity, and just do something different. Change up your routine a little bit. Just when you do the same thing over and over again, it kind of like taxes on your mind. It's like, dang, what am I really accomplishing if I'm really doing the same thing over and over and over again? So it was kind of like a change of pace, honestly, for me. It was just like, go to work, wake up early, go to work, help my family members do that. Eat, come home, bed, same, repeat. Then I'm like, screw it. Let me do some extra stuff, paint. Because outside of, I got a main job, I work for Dr. Pepper, but outside of that, shoot, I'm installing car parts for my boy Dalen. I'm doing yard work and doing housework, painting. Now, like, the list goes on, bro. I can do pretty much everything except build a house and take out an engine, bro. Anything else I can do, honestly, and I'm not afraid to try it, bro. Like, tuned my own car with the help of my brother Dalen, did that. Helped tune another car. Start the wide body kit on my other friend car, Dalen car. Like, opportunities are endless, so don't just stump your growth, if that makes sense. Yeah, don't stump your growth by yourself. But other than that, man, just thank y'all for listening. Thank y'all for watching it. I've been talking about 8 minutes. This video, Jesus Christ. But let's hear it for real though, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Man, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. And I'll power to the most high, bro. I know for a fact I'm meant to accomplish something great, bro. And I'm 25, I'm gonna be 26 in July. And then I know I still got pretty much my life ahead of me, bro. But I know for a fact I got more to accomplish than just staying in the same place and doing stuff, if that makes sense. Like, I want to do so much more, bro. I want to do so much more. But we'll see, though. We'll see.